Well, hey guys, it's Savage. We're making pancakes.
So that's the first one.
He's about to flip it.
Right now. Flip it.
Right now. Come on, we got this. Get a perfect flip.
Flip it. Ship it. Ship it.
Let's go.
Look how big that pancake is. It takes up like almost half the griddle. So Alex is scooping up the mix. Ooh. Now pour it on. Pour it on. I want to see it.
Little faces. Little faces.
Ooh. Alex, you guys, it might look like white. Just plain white.
It's pretty.
Yeah, and it's actually like
Already
really bubbling.
It's already bubbling
Yeah.
right now. Obviously, I'll put mine. Lucas.
Alex!
Dude, I think you should put yours on quickly.
Okay.
And then I'll get mine.
So, ship it.
Flip it.
Ship it.
Okay. Oh.
My first pancake of the day.
Record mine. Alright, this is okay.
I have 2 cameras in my hand at once. No.
No.
That's too much pressure. Alex, you just completely wrecked your pancake. Comment down below if you just wrecked his pancake.
Yeah, maybe. This one's definitely trash there.
I want to flip that one right there.
This one?
Yeah, that one. Yeah.
Whoa. Jesus, that's steamy.
Take this back.
I can't. I'm trying to flip pancakes. Like a boss. Hey, I'm a boss.
Alright, so now it's my turn.
By the way, I'm Italian, so I know how to do this stuff.
Sure he is.
Oh, yeah, I am.
I know he is. I was just kidding.
It's like,
Oh, look at that. Look at them pancakes. Look at them pancakes. So he's pouring that on. I am going to be like, yeah.
there.
One.
There's 4 pancakes. I flip 2, you flip 2.
Alright, we have a lot left.
So, flip. I put these 2 first.
That's the pancake that Alex
Lucas,
wrecked.
I put these 2 first. So I'll put those 2. These 2 right here. You flip them first.
Alright.
Not yet. We'll maybe give it a little bit more time.
Alex is Italian, so he knows what he's doing.
Yes, I do. Oh, shit.
Ship it.
Not much
Ship it.
Not much
No, that's old. That's way too old.
You're old.
You're old.
You're old. No, actually, I am. I'm over the same. Okay, so yeah, you definitely need to flip that one. That's too many whipples. Flip. Hey, flip it.
Flip it.
Yeah, my turn to get this.
Bro.
That was perfect. This is my pancake I flipped. It's perfect. These are good, but mine's. Shh.
Oh my God, that's hot.
I'll flip it. Ready?
Bro.
Oh.
You can flip crap.
Yeah, I can flip. I'm like you.
Hey, those 2
Okay, they're cooked. Put them on. Yeah, you
Okay.
Hey, do it faster. So. Do you have another spatula?
Yeah, I think so. But it's
Get it.
wooden.
I don't care if it's wooden.
Sorry, guys. Stumbling.
Here, I'll
do the middle.
Okay, so I'll start you guys to do this for a second just to get the pancake batter.
Do you have like that much in there? Huh.
I'll get these 2, you get those 2, because what side you're on.
All right. So shout out to Alvin's channel, The Savagest, SAVAGEE.
Get a little bit more. That you don't don't.
And my friend Jane Fernie's channel. His channel is just Jane Fernie because YOLO it.
Yeah, just
And-
YOLO. But YOLO it.
And both of our combined channels are LAJ.
Prank Bros and LAJ Vlogs.
Yeah. So
Guys, these are my 2 pancakes.
yeah. Look those up if you wanna. Can I?
No, not ready yet.
Ship
That's
it.
mine, dude. Yeah, that was 2.
That one's gonna be like hard. I get Alex a wooden spatula, so that's gonna be. Oh! You
Yeah,
did it with a wooden
Yeah,
spatula.
a wood equals that.
When do you need to turn off your camera?
All right, well, guys, I'm gonna sign off now. Subscribe.
Lucas, fast.
And stay cool. Peace out, Parkers.
How'd you get your pancake? Because you were not paying attention, dude. Well, guys,
I need to
right
edit
now,
my video.
please, I'm going to flip all these pancakes onto the plate. Get a freaking wooden spatula. There's 1. There's 2. Well, I'm just going to grab this little one. Okay. Okay. Maybe a couple more, and then put these out. Guys, have it just pieces